please welcome to the stage the hugely insightful and inspirational Julie Holmes.
Hello, NHCCE. Good afternoon.
Imagine a world where technology is racing ahead, leaving people and entire businesses struggling to catch up. Fast forward to 2030, and the business landscape is unrecognizable. It's a world where 73 million jobs are automated, and companies globally are investing billions into AI.
One of the things that leaders have to decide right now, as well as teams, is where they're going to be in this tech-driven world. Are they going to lead, or will they be left behind?
Everybody is going to be an AI user. But not everybody will be AI empowered.
AI is shaking the very foundations of how we operate.
This is the opportunity for people to stretch above and beyond what they've always been able to do. And it's also easier than most people think.
Because this is your opportunity to innovate, excel, and thrive in the age of AI. I'm Julie Holmes. For over 20 years, I've guided leaders, teams, and professionals on their tech and innovation journeys.
I like the whistling. Very nice.
Now, I invite you to step into the future with me. A future where AI isn't just an add-on, it's a commitment, a catalyst, and a catapult to success.
We need to change the way and help our teams change the way that they engage with AI.
This is not an exercise in technology.
Together, we'll delve into the practical applications of AI that will help you sell more, serve better, and save time.
AI is what is going to enable small practices to scale and allow big organizations to personalize and empower.
Whether it's harnessing the capabilities of generative AI like ChatGPT, or finding new prospects and sales strategies using AI-powered research tools, I deliver clear, actionable strategies. Strategies that will upgrade the way you work.
Nobody became an expert in AI by accident. They had to take the steps to do it.
To come to a conference like this and get relevant content that I can take back to my teams and immediately begin using makes it worth it to be here. Thank you, Julie.
Because the question isn't if change will come, it's how you'll embrace it. AI has moved from the computer lab to the computer at your fingertips.
Wherever you are today, we're going to go through this together, and we are going to go on a bit of an AI adventure.
Incredible opportunities are pounding on your door. Let's answer together.
She's your friendly neighborhood nerd. Please welcome Julie Holmes.